Okay guys, we're just gonna do a quick backyard workout. Keep everything simple. Start off with some push-ups. Play with your engagement. Engage everything. You can lift one leg up. Lift the other leg up. Let's get some pumps in there. Play with the variations, keep it simple. Got some kettlebells here. Start working on your boulder shoulders. Start pumping these things up. These hold a little bit differently and activate the shoulders. You could literally just hold them above your head until you get tired, or you could pump them. The kettlebells activate more motor recruitment. Even hold them up here. So, you just want to bring blood to the muscles, guys. Blood to the muscles. You want perfect form as much as possible. That's it. A little prison yard workout. Dips. Push-ups. And a little bit of shoulder action. And then you just repeat that until you get a big pump, which is similar to a full body erection. Right? And then you can go for the full body orgasm. Just kidding. Gotta get the pump in first. Kidding, not kidding.
Do I pause it now?
Get that pump in, guys. Keep it simple. Give me that thing.